Hi everyone, today I'm going to make this delicious cast iron egg sandwich. This is a really simple recipe, but the secret weapon to my egg sandwich is the sauce. Let's start by quartering a ripe tomato and cutting out the seeds and just leaving the meat of the tomato. We also need to cut one green onion in half. Now we can start roasting our veggies in the cast iron over medium heat. Roasting the veggies will add a nice roasted flavor to our sauce. Not everything's going to cook at the same time, so take things out when they're as charred as much as you want. Peeling the skin off of the roasted tomatoes is something that we usually do in the restaurant because the texture is a little bit chewy. Dice half of the tomatoes and save the other half for the sandwich. Now we can dice up the serranos. You can take out the seeds if you want your sauce to be a little less spicy, but I'm a fan of spicy food, so I leave them in. Then just cut the scallions into rings. To finish the sauce, we're going to squeeze in half a lime, a quarter cup of mayo, an eighth cup of ketchup, and then season with salt and pepper. This sauce would also be great on a burger or a chicken sandwich. Now to make the sandwich, we start with toasting our croissant in a small amount of butter. Make sure that you toast both sides of the croissant as well. Then we need to cook our bacon and our breakfast sausage. You can fry your egg in the bacon fat if you want to, but I prefer to just use butter. Crack our eggs and season with salt, pepper, and everything bagel spice. A trick to a nice sunny side up egg is to baste them a few times to make sure that all the white is cooked on top of the egg, but you still have a nice runny yolk. Now that everything's ready, we can build our sandwich. Let's start with our croissant and our spread. One egg. Put on our bacon, our breakfast sausage, one egg with pepper jack cheese, sliced avocado, two of our tomato petals, and some pickled red onions. A little spread on top, and put it together. This sandwich can get a little bit messy, but it's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching my video on how to make a delicious cast iron egg sandwich. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite breakfast sandwich is. You can also follow me on my Instagram at @AChefandASpoon to see what I'm working on next. See you next time!